The SPINN CW.02 wrapper is the perfect gear protection for your photo, travel, and outdoor activities. In this brand new version, we've added an extra layer to our wrapper. The fabric is now waterproof.
A year ago, we introduced you to the latest version of our SPINN protective wrapper here on Kickstarter. A self-adhesive cloth that protects your camera and gear from dust, scratches and bumps. But now, it's getting really cool. We've given our wrapper a waterproof barrier, but a very special one. The cloth is just as soft and fluffy as it used to be, unlike the stiff camera covers on the market. First, I'm going to show you the amazing waterproofing of the new fabric. I attached the wrapper to a small tripod construction to demonstrate this. And now, I'm going to fill it with water. And as you can see, everything stays dry. No water can get through the fabric, even though there's over a liter inside. Let's leave it like this and check it out later. We have retained 100% of the previous model's outstanding features. The only change to the exterior is the logo. To show you all the features, let's take a little trip into the past. Oh, nice haircut. With the CW1, you can wrap your camera, lenses and other equipment while having optimal protection against scratches, dust and impact damage. Due to the special hook and loop construction, the cloth is fully self-adhesive, with the inside sticking to the outside of the fabric. Adhesion is extremely high and reliable. I can now shake this heavy camera without the cover coming off or the camera falling out.
Cameras, lenses of different sizes, iPads, laptops, small and medium tripods. We offer the CW2 in 4 different sizes.
The new XL version covers bigger tripods, big laptops, light panels, magic arms, sound and other professional equipment.
All your technical devices that you need to stow away for your travel or outdoor activities are well protected from dust, scratches and impact damage. And you can also use the soft side of our camera wrap to clean all glass surfaces if they get dirty. Handling your equipment is now quick and easy. Let's get back to the waterproofing. Jay from our team demonstrates how safe your equipment is. The SPINN wrapper protects your camera from moisture and rain. Despite this amount of water, the camera stays dry. The waterproof barrier keeps the water out.
Coming back to our initial experiment, we've been shooting now for quite a while, and the cloth is still without any leaks, as you can see from my dry hands.
You can also wrap your camera with our camera plate attached and still carry it on your body. With that, the camera is well protected without extra weight. So if you're surprised again by a downpour somewhere out in the boonies, just be happy that you have your SPINN protective wrapper with you.